Okay, guys, the last video, we left off right here. We had separated this one fraction into two fractions with the common denominator. Now what we do is treat each one of these terms individually, okay? The v's cancel, gone, okay? I don't have anything to cancel the u with, but 13 goes into 26 evenly. It goes into it 2 times. So I'm left with this first fraction, when we reduce it, is just 2u, okay? This second fraction, of course, it's going to be minus. All right, the v's cancel. 13 goes into 39 3 times. Done. Bella, would you say that 26uv minus 39v is divisible by 13v? It is. When we get to example 4, you're going to see that that one's not divisible by what we get. And you'll see in just a minute, but this one is divisible by 13v. Do you also see that 13v times 2u minus 3 gives us this thing on the top? Emma, do you see that? It's just like 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. That means that 3 times 4 gives me 12. 12. Okay? Are we together on that?
Yes.
Everybody happy? We're used to math?
Very happy.
All right, good. This was our answer for that. Let's look at the next one. Okay? All right. Whoa. A little bigger here. So now I've got 3x to the 4th minus 9x cubed y plus 6x squared y squared all over negative 3x squared. Fine. Let's just break it into 3 fractions. 3x to the 4th over negative 3x squared minus 9x cubed over negative 3x squared plus 6x squared y. Okay, you know what? I need to move this down a bit. Will it let me? Okay. All right. Look, I've done this before. I know what I'm doing. Okay. 6x squared y squared over negative 3x squared. Treat each fraction separately. Emma, simplify the first one for me.
So negative x.
Okay, so I'm going to get negative because I've got a negative on the bottom. The 3's cancel. Is that what you're saying? What about the x's?
Would you divide
Which one has more, top or bottom?
the top?
How many more?
2.
X squared. Beautiful. Okay? Now, this one has been reduced. Preston, reduce this one for me. Look at this, Preston, first. Minus and minus. What does that mean?
That means it's a positive.
Minus and minus means that we're going to get a positive. What about the 9 and the 3?
That'll be 3.
3, all right. And then what about the x's?
That'll be 3x.
3x. Top has more, 1 more. Okay? Trey, finish off that last one for me. Plus and minus, what does that mean?
3 is going to be negative.
Negative
2.
2.
And then the x is canceled.
The x squareds just cancel out.
So it'd be y squared.
And we're left with y squared.
And
Perfect. Ryan, talk to me. Am I not right?
You left off the y.
Am I not done?
You left off the y on the left side.
Oh, there was a y here. Okay. Ryan, I'm sorry. Could I cancel it though? Or does it just come down here? Okay. All right, I'm sorry. Thanks for fixing that for me. Does that make sense?
I just have a quick question. For
Yeah.
before-
What you got, Dan?
When you're writing the right side of the red part,
Yeah.
can you just write negative the whole thing plus that whole thing and then minus the whole thing? Like,
You mean, can you simplify this before you rewrite it?
Yes.
Can you go ahead and make that a plus
Yes.
and go ahead and make this a minus? You
yes.
can.
Okay.
You can.
That
All
was
right.
really badly stated.
That's all right, but you see, I'm there with you.
Yeah,
We're in the same kind of craziness. Okay. Good job. See you at the next video.